Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to BFL Reacts. Kind of having to pull myself away from the YouTube analytics here. I just uploaded a HoloLive video and it's kind of popping off for me pretty good. It's hard when a video is doing well, or even like when a video isn't doing well, for me to not just sit there and refresh the analytics over and over. Well, this is a good thing. I like to be in the comments and reply. It's hard sometimes because I'm at work usually when the videos go up, but this was kind of like a guerrilla upload, so that wasn't an issue. Anyways, that aside, time to get into Amphibia. One exciting thing, YouTube numbers to another. Amphibia. This episode is episode 17, First and Fiddle Me This. I like the fiddle, so if we get some fiddle playing, that'd be kind of fun. I imagine that'd probably be Wally playing the fiddle. I could see maybe Hot Pop going in on the fiddle too. Wait, didn't Sprig like play the violin in the Pop Off or whatever that dance episode was called? Isn't the violin? What's the difference in a violin and a fiddle? I don't know. They seem kind of similar to me, but I'm also not educated on musical instruments, so that might be a very ignorant statement to make. Anyways, last time we had that huge kind of story thing. That Gravity Falls, Stan gets the journal moment with Hot Pop burying Anne's music box, which is very interesting. And we might get some more insight into that in this episode, but I'm not really expecting it. They might kind of save the story stuff for episodes 19 and 20. Or maybe not even really episode 19, maybe like the end of episode 19. And then like kind of tease you a little bit, and then episode 20 is all of it. But that's just a guess. I'm in for the ride either way. You check the analytics one more time, I'm addicted. Okay, into the reaction. I push that out of my mind so I can fully focus on Amphibia. Actually need to turn down the desktop audio recording quite a bit. And 3, 2, 1, go. This part's the best. The drop, dude, it's so hype every time. That part too with the lightning, it's so good. I just love the opening so much.
What are you doing?
Hiding. Ever since Maddie and I got engaged, things between us have been awkward.
Oh, this is gonna be a good one, I can tell.
Break up with her? To her face?
Oh my gosh.
Sprint against the world!
Whoa! Oh!
Gracious me!
Oops.
Willy
Sorry about
Wonka.
that, Barry.
Whoa, I didn't see you there, Barry.
Shucks, kids! Don't worry about it. Nothing gets Barry down.
I hate this dude.
Candy magic!
Have a very good day.
I bet he's evil.
Barry's here!
Oh, I bet something bad is happening to people and they are gonna think it's her, but it was actually him. Oh.
Or maybe
Off to a
breaking up
great
my
start,
text
man.
would be better.
Deliver it via paper airplane. The shrug emoticon. Oh, I was right with the paper airplane! I was expecting her to burn it on the candle.
Huh? Something ain't right.
My man's got the eyebrows.
Anne? I should
Shazam
say-
too?
Whoa, Anne! Whoa! Anne, are you okay? Whoa!
Sprig,
Oh.
what happened to your face?
Whoa! What happened to
Whoa,
your
she got
voice?
leaves growing out of
My
her?
voice, dude. When I woke up,
Or
these
feathers.
things started growing out of me. And whenever I try to talk, I
Calling it's Barry's candy though.
Goodness gracious, boy! What's on your face?
I don't know. I just woke up like this.
And me, anytime I try to talk, I...
Have you guys seen my toothbrush?
I'm Polly right now.
You two have been cursed.
Dude, this video is gonna suck to edit because I'm gonna want to leave the whole thing in. Is this the first time magic is explicitly confirmed? Well, I guess the box that teleported her there.
I am loving this. Hey, I think it's getting better.
Sprig, we have to talk to Maddie.
His whole body is going to be covered in hair.
You're right. A little bit of this.
My man's turning into Cousin It from Adam's Family.
Either. How you doing over there, Anne?
Anne, you okay?
You know, it's actually not that bad. Watch this!
Girl.
You are going to get Maddie to lift this curse, and that's that!
Fine. But it's gonna be so awkward.
Got Mr. Planter's bread order here.
Ah! She's here!
Someone hide me.
She won't know what's happening, though. It wasn't her.
That's on me. Forgot to fix those hinges.
Curses can only be lifted by the caster, and this isn't my curse.
Knew it.
What?
What?
This trail will lead us to the caster. Quickly,
That's convenient.
before it goes cold. You gotta fix this door.
Eventually.
Girl.
It's worth a shot.
Why'd you think it was me who cursed you?
The hair
You do
tie.
give off a creepy vibe.
Just because I seem creepy to you doesn't mean I'm a bad person.
Calling it, dude. That's Mr. Barry. Yep.
Hello, children.
He gives off a pedo vibe. I'll just say it.
10 years? They were priceless. I played it cool and was sweet because my image is half my business. I may look nice, but I'm petty and vengeful on the inside.
Hey, appearances aren't
This
everything.
can be deceiving, we get it.
Right. The lesson thing.
The lesson thing.
You can't see it really, but I'm begging you on my knees.
Let me think. Never! Not only am I petty, but I'm very unforgiving.
This abuse of magic offends me.
Curse off?
Oh, goodness! You can play at that game.
Does magic grenade off?
My last curse.
Uh-oh. Is she out?
What do we do?
Give me a hand.
You mean like literally or figuratively? Ow!
Oh, she's making one on the fly. Yeah, making a curse is easy.
Oh dear.
And that's how
He's gonna blow the door down again.
Good job.
My man has seen better days.
We're
Actually, that's an improvement.
Turn the curses back on him!
Maddie, you did
I can
it!
talk!
I bet the episode ends with Anne trying to eat bugs again.
And sorry the engagement had to end like this. Friends?
Friends,
Nice.
I can't wait to hang out.
Okay.
Blah. Eh.
I love the menacing music just cutting out. Called it, dude. I knew it.
Way to eat ants off the floor?
Big gap. Very good episode. Holy crap. This show just it does humor really well. I haven't been paying attention to the writers or anything, but I would not be surprised if this shares the same writer as the Hot Pop Dance Off episode. Episodes like that where it's just almost entirely comedy focused in this show just really hit it out of the park for me. I really like the humor when they just go balls to the wall with it. I called, the twists and turns in this one, but it wasn't really about that. It's about having a laugh. And it delivered really, really well. And we're also continuing that trend of, bringing a side character kind of into the spotlight. With Maddie here. And I like her design. I think her design is super cool. So it's cool to see a lot more of her this episode. I don't know if the mic picked that up, but the dog's going crazy. Had to wait about a minute for the dogs to calm down. But they're done now. We had a package delivered. It's all good. Really disrupted my train of thought, but like I said, this episode was just a huge banger. One of my favorites. Easily. Maybe not as good as the Hot Pop Dance episode. Maybe overall a better episode, but the Hot Pop Dance episode had that montage with the song that was just so good that it's hard to beat. That was probably my favorite scene in the whole show, was that montage. Just Hot Pop failing spectacularly and falling into an anthill and stuff. Super good. Now, on to Fiddle Me This. Really, I feel like this episode shot itself in the foot. No way Fiddle Me This lives up to this one, because this one, like I said, was just a pure banger. But I'll give it a shot. If it's as good as this one, then this is probably like the best episode in the whole show. Alright, hopefully this one isn't a disappointment now. Fiddle Me This. 3, 2, 1, go.
Looks a little snug.
Nonsense.
Off to a great start already. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it at the beginning, but the Hop Pop glue gag was also really funny. This is cute. Oh my god.
Bog back and beyond, here I come.
You know, my daughter just got accepted to Newtopia University.
That's the big league right there.
Yep, she's got a bright future. Good thing, too. Ascots aren't as popular as they used to be.
Yeah, vegetables.
Hey,
I
Fred
don't
from
know either.
Scooby-Doo will hit
These
your
days are
store
all
up.
about Fruit. That's life, I suppose.
Does he always wear ascots? I never even noticed.
Sprig and Polly a better future.
Oh.
Huh? Now, what's over there? More ascots?
Auditions are being held this weekend. Hey, could be fun to play my fiddle in front of a crowd.
Okay, he's the fiddle player.
Winning this kind of thing sets you up for a life of success and opportunity.
Mmm. Hop Pop's dreaming of a better life.
How's life?
That's a cursed Sprig.
Dang delightful.
At last,
Damn.
I can rest forever.
Anne's cute in that too. Hop Pop talks about dying a lot.
Hop Pop. Did Hop Pop just leave us?
Should we get help? I'll get help.
With enough dedication and teamwork, I'm sure we can make you a star. The moth, one of nature's most seductive animals.
Cool. Yeah. All right.
Inspired
What?
fantastic creature. I've designed an act for Sprig that will guarantee we take home first prize.
You should probably just let Sprig do his own thing.
Design and makeup.
I'm thinking cosmic, ethereal,
Okay,
interdimensional.
maybe that's actually kind of sick.
Very flattering.
I've got talent too.
All right, let's see what you got.
Oh no! That poor snail. Oh my god.
We'll be working on your act together. From dusk till dawn, rain or shine, till heck or high water.
Hop Pop, aren't we taking this all just a little too seriously?
Yeah, Hop Pop
Big
is
success takes
gonna be
work.
blinded
It
here.
takes dedication, sacrifice. You don't want to end up like that guy, do you? No job, no prospect, no future. Just look at him, Sprig.
Hop Pop, that's a
Let the hard work begin.
Oh, another montage, yes. Disgusting. Also kind of messed up to drink fertilized eggs. Okay. Oh man's going in. Is that how they're gonna suspend him? Oh my god.
Now go give me 50 laps.
Hop Pop, this is crazy. I just want to have fun up there.
Fun? Can you eat fun? Can you make a fun deposit into your fun savings? Is fun a beautiful mansion with a front gate shaped like a giant fiddle?
What? Okay, fine, cheese.
Welcome to Amphibia's Got Talent!
Hey,
Oh my god.
go away, show!
Horrifying bat creature. Boo!
I'm thinking launch him.
Yeah, way ahead of you.
They like it.
Well, hello there.
I
Oh.
know, right?
Alright. This kind of go off though. No, it's hype. Let's go.
It's perfection. Everything I could have hoped for.
Holy crap. I should have seen that coming when it got the moth earlier.
What do we do? What can we do?
Holy crap, dude.
Now!
Damn. Hop Pop did not hesitate on this one. He's a real one for this.
Now's your time to shine!
Go in his ear? Oh, sing in his ear. Dude, I was thinking she'd crawl in his ear. Nice. Or just get taken down. Now, how are the judges gonna feel about this? They might love it. Yep.
All I wanted to do was have fun and play my fiddle on stage. Why do you have to push me so hard?
It's kind of killing my vibe.
And heck, in a couple of years, I don't even know if the stand will be around. I just wanted to give you a better life than the one I can give you now.
Hop Hop, my life is perfect the way it is.
Aww.
And as long as you're in it, my future will be pretty cool too.
Oh.
Well, I'm kind of getting emotional too.
Hereby declare this family the winning act of Wartwood's Got Talent.
Hell yeah. Another really great episode. Dun, 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 dun. Very nice. That slap too. Pound for pound, this might be my favorite episode so far. Like, everything about it was good. This one, I think, I don't know if it was as funny as the first half of the episode, the cursed portion, but it was still really good. And if it wasn't, you know, following Cursed, it probably would have made me laugh even harder than it did. And it still got me really good. It's funny that I was talking about the Hop Hop Dance-Off, and then this one kind of follows the same formula. You know, training for an event, montages, really good, dude. This video is going to be simultaneously really fun to edit because the episode was so good, so I'm not going to mind watching it over and over again during editing, but also such a pain because I'm going to have to choose like half the episode to cut out. How am I supposed to do that when the entire episode is so good? You know, that was a problem I ran into on the tail end of the Owl House a lot, where I would just have to cut out like entire B plots just because the main plot was so good that I wanted to include it all, but I can't. This episode just really raised the bar for me. I loved it so much. Like, I damn near want to just watch it again right now. Like, that's how much I enjoyed that. Let's see what the next episode is. They can't do that, dude. They're screwing themselves over by setting the standard so high with a banger like that. Episode 18 is the Big Bug Ball Game and Combat Camp. Gotta say, Combat Camp sounds like a banger just off the title alone. Especially if it's Anne going there. I'm having visions of Anne in like in like military combat gear. So I guess Polly would be more at home there. But Anne would be the one I want to see there, because it'd be really fun, and we'd get another cute outfit, I'm sure. Just the juxtaposition of her long string bean body in combat gear is really funny to me. But thanks for sticking around for this episode. No one watches to the end, but I'll plug myself anyway. Subscribe for more Amphibia content like this one. We're getting near Season 2, and I'm excited to get into that one. I've heard good things from you guys about it. My Twitter and Twitch are in the description. And like this video if you liked it to get it recommended to more people, so that hopefully they can like it too. And thanks for hanging out. Peace.